Hello guys. So in the past video, I have developed a Telegram bot API using Node.js. So now I'll create the same Telegram bot API, but there's something beyond the level, right? So here I have given a connection with database to this Telegram bot API, right? So here I have used a firebase database in order to store and retrieve the data from the database, right? So you need to know what is a firebase database. So in order to know, you let's get into the Google and search for firebase. So the firebase database is simply a NoSQL platform. What is this NoSQL? NoSQL stands for not only SQL, which means it doesn't store the data in form of a tabular format. Instead, it stores the data in form of objects, due to which it stores the data in the JSON files, right? So to know more about this, you need to get into the Firebase. So this is the firebase.google.com. If we get into this, it asks for add project. So you can add your own project title. So yeah, I already added the Telegram bot itself. So this will displays here, right? Now there's something I need to show you. This is the project settings. In this project settings, there's service accounts. In these service accounts, we need to generate a new private key. So yeah, it will get. So you need to create, you need to generate your new private key. Here, since I have used the Node.js with Telegram bot, not only this Node.js, we can use Java and Python as well. So here I have used Node.js, so I have selected the Node.js and generate this new private key. It will generate, it will, yeah, you can get a downloaded JSON format. So if you open this, it will displays the links. So these are the links of your own database. Don't ever try to share with others because they can easily access the data of your database, right? So this is the code. In order to perform the run this code, you need to install two packages: no Telegram bot API and Firebase admin. So since how to install this Firebase, you need to type npm install -g Firebase tools. So you can get the warning messages, no problem. They are minus, leave it and search for Fire and type for Firebase login. So I have already logged my account, so it displays likewise. So if we type the Firebase login, it usually displays, yeah, it usually links to the Google and asks for and shows for different Gmail accounts. So you need to select your one of which you need it and you just log with this. Then you'll get this CLI login successful message. That's it. That's how we connected with this Firebase, right? Let's get into our code. So this is the code. So I have just initialized this, and so this part is I have explained this part in my previous video. Now here there's nothing new here. There's just two topics: insertion of data to the database and retrieving the data from the database. That's it. So this is the codes in order to retrieve and insert the data to the database. So let's get into the database. So right, this, so if you give the city name, it will displays the temperature and humidity, right? So if you go into the database, it stores the data here, right? See, the humidity is 59 and weather is 29.17, which is, yeah, in Bhimavaram, right? So that's how it will show and gives the details. So you can easily add here auto ID, it will automatically displays and you can save here, no problem. So yeah, right, you can add here on field like what is the temperature. So since it is a number format, I'll give here 30, sorry, 35, and I can add here. So not only this, you can add here what is the humidity. Since it is also the number format, we can give here 25. That's it. That's how we can add and you can perform the CRUD operations using the Firebase database. So this is the final code. I think you can create your own Firebase. You can connect with the Firebase database with the bot API. So thank you guys.